Hey there, welcome. If you're frustrated from wasting endless hours trying to write ebooks from scratch, or you've purchased PLR bundles before that promised great value but left you disappointed, you've landed in the right place. In this review, I'll walk you through exactly what Limitless Lab is really about. We'll uncover what makes this product different, what it gets right, where it falls short, and most importantly, whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped bundle. Stick with me till the end because I'll also reveal 5 powerful bonuses that I've personally prepared, which you'll get absolutely free when you buy Limitless Lab through the link I've shared. These bonuses are designed to accelerate your content creation, marketing, and monetization process, so don't miss them. Let's begin with a quick overview of the product. Then we'll go over its standout features, followed by a deep dive into the pros and cons, a preview of what's inside, and finally, my rating and verdict based on real usage. So, what exactly is Limitless Lab? Limitless Lab is a done-for-you PLR bundle that includes hundreds of ready-to-sell self-help ebooks and professionally designed logo templates. With this package, you get full private label rights, allowing you to rebrand, customize, and resell the content as your own. It's designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, coaches, and digital product creators launch their own brand or store without needing to write content from scratch or hire expensive designers. It's more than just a pack of ebooks. It's a shortcut to building an entire content-driven business around one of the most profitable niches in the world, personal development. So, what features do you actually get? You receive access to hundreds of high-quality self-help ebooks across trending sub-niches like productivity, mental clarity, confidence, leadership, time management, and more. Professionally designed logos and templates to brand your ebooks or website instantly. Editable files in formats that make it easy to update, customize, or sell in different versions. A full commercial license that allows you to resell the products, publish them under your name, or even use them in online courses or lead magnets. Lifetime access to the bundle with no recurring fees, which means one-time payment, long-term benefit. Now that we understand what this product offers, let's get into the pros, where it really shines. First, the quality of the content is genuinely impressive. These aren't fluff-filled ebooks. They are structured, well-written, and aligned with the kind of content people are actively searching for on Amazon Kindle, Etsy, Gumroad, and other digital marketplaces. You can publish them as they are or easily personalize them with your own brand voice. Second, the commercial license is unrestricted. This is crucial. You don't just get resale rights, you get full control. You can put your name on it, translate it, use it in. Third, the product is built for marketers and creators in mind. Whether you're a freelancer, agency, or solo entrepreneur, you'll find that this product saves you time and positions you as an expert, even if you're just starting out. Fourth, the pricing structure is super reasonable. You pay once and you're done. There are no sneaky monthly subscriptions. For the amount of content and flexibility you receive, it's an incredible return on investment. But no product is perfect, right? Let's talk about a couple of areas where Limitless Lab could improve. First, while the logo templates are good, they're not ultra-luxurious or premium grade. They get the job done, but don't expect world-class branding designs straight out of the gate. You may want to tweak or combine them with your own elements for a more unique look. Second, the setup is manual. There are no integrations or automated systems to upload and start selling immediately. You'll need to organize, brand, and upload the files to your own platform manually, whether that's Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. But honestly, these downsides don't carry much weight when you consider the level of value you get at this price point. Let's take a peek at what's actually inside the product. Once you access Limitless Lab, you'll find neatly categorized folders. Each ebook Now let me share my rating and final verdict based on hands-on usage. Here's how I rate Limitless Lab. Bundle quality, 4.5 out of 5. Price, 4 out of 5. Value for money, 4 out of 5. Content quality, 4 out of 5. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to enter the digital product space, expand their online store, or build authority in the personal development niche. If you're tired of struggling with content creation and want a smarter way to start selling digital products, Limitless Lab is a shortcut that works. As I mentioned earlier, when you buy this through my link, you'll also unlock 5 exclusive bonuses from me at no additional cost. Here's what you'll receive. Over 100 free templates for video editing to speed up your content production. Proven viral video script formats that you can use to promote your ebooks or brand. A ready-to-use AI video creation script that works with tools like Pictory or InVideo. An automation ebook showing how to set up AI-powered workflows for marketing and delivery. A bundle of cartoon and animation-style video assets to boost your visual branding. You can claim all these bonuses instantly after your purchase is confirmed. They're designed to complement Limitless Lab and help you start monetizing faster. So to wrap this up, Limitless Lab is not just another PLR product. It's a full-on business toolkit. If you're ready to step into the world of digital product selling, through my link, get your bonuses, and start building your digital empire today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.